So let's go ahead and recap the day. We got coin. I ended up shorting coin, and this is probably one of my favorite things to do, or my favorite takeaways, when the stock itself closes in the green, but when I close in the green, but it was from shorting. It just shows how careful I was with my entries and my exits. So if you tuned on in into today's live trading session, you would have seen that one of my positions that I entered today was a coin short, right? We caught it at the overbought levels. We wrote it down. We covered the short. It became overbought. We covered the short. And I walked away with 15.1K on the day. Quick little disclaimer. I trade with over $500,000, so I didn't make 15K trading with $5,000. Just making sure that you're aware of that. The other stock that I shorted within today's live stream is DJT. So $2,300 on the day. It lost 2.6% after market hours, and it lost 6.43% based off of the previous close and the close from today. So pretty bearish day for DJT. Doesn't really surprise me. I'd be very careful with this one next week to see if we begin to see some progress on the downside or some recovery potential. The thing that I quickly wanted to ask you guys, and we definitely do not have to, right? Because I know a lot of you guys either maybe have something scheduled for tomorrow, which is Good Friday. First off, the stock market is closed, so there's no live trading session for my LPP team. But I wanted to see if you guys would be interested in hosting like a 20 to 30 minute beginner boot camp. Not only can I answer any questions you might have as a complete beginner, but I wanted to create a checklist of like, I used to do this in the past before, and it was a checklist of what a stock needs to meet before I actually choose to take the trade. And I feel like a checklist like this would be very useful for someone that's just getting started, because if the stock that you are about to want to trade doesn't meet that checklist, then that means that you shouldn't take the trade. And if you're anything like me and you've struggled with over trading, then I feel like a very simple step like creating a checklist can be very useful. So you guys let me know down in the comment section, or just let me know by the number of likes. If this video gets over 500 likes, I would be more than happy to host a free boot camp pretty much for beginners here on YouTube. And we'll do it maybe like, I was going to say 1 hour, 2 hours after the market would normally open. So maybe around like 10:30 to 11:30 Eastern time. Or if you're here in the West Coast like I am right now with PST, that would be right around maybe 7:30 or 8:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So let me know. I'm open to any ideas that you guys have. But regardless, I'm going to work today on creating that little beginner checklist. And I just hope that it's like, some structure that for your next trade, it makes you more selective. So I feel like there's only positive takeaways for creating something like that than any negative takeaway. Like, yeah, you might miss out on some trades that, quickly reversed or something like that. But at the end of it, I think that we can all agree that we can perform so much better long-term by being more selective. So let me know down in the comment section, and make sure you drop a thumbs up letting me know that you guys want me to tune on in. But again, pretty successful day. 2K on the day for DJT, and then 15K on the day for coin. Overall 17K on the day. Very grateful for how we ended the week. I wish you guys an amazing Good Friday, an amazing Eastern Sunday, and I hope to see you in tomorrow's bootcamp. I also do want to remind you, if you're ready to join my LPP team, we're offering you 50% off right now. That is my private group that gets to watch me trade live every single day. It's the biggest discount, and it's a one-time payment, lifetime access. And again, it's the second link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Hope that everyone a thumbs up, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.